In this video tutorial, I will show you how to transfer money from Binance to your Zelle account. First of all, you need to log into your Binance account. Then you need to click on Trade in the top. And to withdraw money from Binance to Zelle, we need to use P2P trading. So let's click on P2P. First of all, we need to select the sell right here because we are selling USDT and we want to receive on Zelle. After that, we need to find the exchanger who is exchanging money between Binance to Zelle. That means we need to scroll the payment methods down and we need to find the Zelle in the list. So right here is the Zelle. Let's click on it. And as you can see, there are a lot of exchangers who are exchanging money between Binance and Zelle. But we need to find the exchanger who has got a good exchange rate, also a lot of orders, and more than 99% rating. So for example, this one has got more than 4K orders, it has got more than 99% rating, and duration is 13 minutes. So in maximum 13 minutes, we will receive our money on our Zelle account. So we can click on sell button right here, sell USDT. After that, we need to enter the amount of USDT we want to transfer from Binance to Zelle. And as you can see, if we transfer 100 USDT, we will receive this amount of USD on Zelle. After that, we need to click on set my payment method and you need to choose Zelle right here. And you need to set up your Zelle account. When you set up your Zelle account, you need to click on sell button. You will sell 100 USDT from your Binance account and in maximum 30 minutes you will receive your money on your Zelle account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.